You have probably heard of someone getting their bank account or paycheck taken by the IRS, or perhaps this has happened to you at some point. Most Americans just assume that the IRS has the legal right to take your money with just a mere letter sent to a bank or a business that is paying a particular taxpayer. However, at closer look, that is not the case. The reality is that the legal authority for the IRS to levy a person's bank account or paycheck is actually very limited. Limited to what, you might ask? As crazy as it may sound, the authority of the IRS to issue what is called Notice of Levies on salaries and wages is limited to employees of the federal government. Yes, that is right. The law explicitly states in the Internal Revenue Code section 6331A that levy may be made upon the accrued salary or wages of any officer, employee, or elected official of the United States, the District of Columbia, or any agency or instrumentality of the United States or the District of Columbia, by serving a notice of levy on the employer, as defined in Section 3401D, of such officer, employee, or elected official. As you can see, levy can only be made on the salary or wages of employees of the federal government. If you ever get one of these notices of levy, look on the back of the notice. You will see that when the IRS sends out these 6331 notices of levy, the IRS always omits 6331A and instead starts with 6331B. Now you know why the IRS omits 6331A. Can you say fraud? Yes, indeed. The bottom line is that the IRS Notice of Levy does not pertain to Americans working in the private sector. This is one of the U.S. government's best-kept secrets. The IRS is scamming the American people, and all three branches of the U.S. government allow the IRS to steal Americans' money, all for a tax that the American people do not owe. Are you free? Are you sure?